What's the meaning of alone? Alone. 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 Alone.
Alone means being by oneself, without anyone else present or accompanying you. It can refer to physical or emotional isolation, and is often associated with feelings of loneliness, sadness, or solitude. Being alone can be both a positive and negative experience, depending on the circumstances and personal preference. It can provide opportunities for self-reflection, creativity, and independence, but can also lead to feelings of boredom, anxiety, or depression. Ultimately, the meaning of alone depends on the individual and their unique perspective and experiences.